So friends, let's start with today's easy to make marble cake. So let's go through the ingredients. Well, here I have 125 grams of plain flour or maida, 125 grams of powdered sugar. This is about a quarter cup of 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. These are 3 egg yolks and 3 egg whites. This is a quarter cup or 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 125 grams of butter at room temperature. Now all the ingredients will be given in the description box below. So to a large bowl, I'm going to add the butter which is at room temperature. I'm also going to add the powdered sugar and I'm going to mix the two really well till it becomes into a very light and pale kind of a mixture. So you can either use a whisk or a spatula like this and really mix it well, for about 2 to 3 minutes at least. Mix it till you get this lovely pale yellow color. Now we're going to add the egg yolks and again mix it in well. Now we're going to add the egg whites and mix it again. Next we're going to add our vanilla essence and again mix everything really well. Next goes in the baking powder. And now we're going to add the plain flour and again mix everything till we get a very smooth batter. Now I'm going to divide the batter into 1/3 and 2/3. So we're going to only keep 1/3 with we're going to add some cocoa. So I'm going to take the unsweetened cocoa powder and add the milk in to the cocoa powder. So we get this thick kind of a paste, and we're going to add that to this batter. So we require only 1/3 of the mixture to be a chocolate color or with the cocoa flavoring, and the rest is going to be plain. So mix this in well till you get this nice and dark, rich cocoa or chocolate color. So now I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and I've also lined my loaf tin with some baking paper, parchment paper. Now I'm going to use half of the mixture of the plain batter, and I'm going to then top it up with this entire chocolate or cocoa mixture. Just even it out. And then I'm going to put the remaining plain batter on top. So even that part out also. Don't forget to preheat your oven during this time for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And then you're just going to take a sharp knife like this and just swirl it around in this manner. So this will give your cake the lovely marble effect. And now we're just going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Let the cake completely cool before you demold it. And then just cut it up into these lovely slices and you'll see the lovely marble effect of each slice. Now this cake is really very moist and really delicious. So do give this cake a try. And let me know your feedback as to how you like this cake. So this cake also has a very long shelf life. You can keep it at room temperature in a nice airtight container for about 2 to 3 days in a nice dark and cool place. Otherwise, you can refrigerate it, and whenever you want to serve it, just keep it out for about 10 to 15 minutes. But this is a real delicious cake and you must give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next recipe. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.